To make a quick and easy corner bookmark, grab a 6" by 6" 15.24 times 15.24 centimeter square of origami paper. Fold the paper in half, from corner to corner, to make a triangle. Then unfold it. Fold it the other way, and then unfold it again, so that there are creases running between each pair of corners in the shape of an X. Cut out one of the triangles of paper between the creases. Fold down one of the side flaps over the triangle opposite the one you cut out. Cover the flap you just folded down with double-sided tape or a thin layer of glue. Then fold the other side flap down on top of it. Now you should have a triangular pouch that you can use as a corner bookmark. If you like, decorate it with drawings, stickers, or pretty calligraphy.